Here's the view walking out of the cabin, and you can see that direction is the trail that takes you to the absolutely fabulous outdoor shower, and then forest, and you look over this direction and start to enter into the open field. You can see a few trees scattered here and there, and maybe you can see the survey markers that mark the property line. There's a marker you can see, hopefully. And there's the big pine tree, and that shows where the division is between the 8 acres with the cabin and the 10 acres with the house. Here's the field area. And on the other side of the tree down there is where the railroad storage car is.